Hello, my friends, and get ready to take your understanding of fractions and multiply it. We're going to multiply fractions by fractions today. Check this out. We're going to do 1/2 times 1/4. Now, I know you've done fractions by whole numbers. That was pretty easy, right? But what do we even do with this? Well, let's take a look at a half. And for a moment, let's take a look at a fourth. A fourth is one of 4 parts of a whole. What I want you to do is think of this half now as a whole. And what would a fourth of this piece look like? And now let's get into more of that multiplication talk. Because as you know, our multiplicand tells us what we have. We have a half. Our multiplier tells us how many times to take it. And we're going to take it 1/4 times. We need to take a half 1/4 times. I need a fourth of this half. So what kind of piece would we split this up into to be able to make that possible? Did I hear eighths from someone out in the crowd? Fantastic. Make it so. All right, let's check that there. 1, 2, 3. Hey, 4 parts, and we only need one of those 4 parts. So let's just get rid of those. And what do we have left? 1/8. Now you may have noticed something else that's happening here, but we'll talk about that a little bit later, okay, friend? Let's try another one of these out. How about this time we try something, how about 1/2 times 2/3? Change up that numerator a little. So I will bring out that half again. Let's take a look at what 2/3 would look like. Because what we need to do is split this into 3 pieces and keep 2 of those pieces. So we don't really need these thirds just now. What kind of pieces would a half turn into if I split it into 3? Oh yeah, 3/6. That's equivalent. Let's make it so. Cool. 1, 2, and 3. Very cool. And remember, of all those pieces, we just need 2 of them. Look at that. We've got 2/6 left. Oh, what's that? I heard somebody say, wait a second, I see something equivalent there. Did you see 1/3? Because I did too. That could be our final answer. Look at that equivalency at work. 1/2 times 2/3, or taking 2/3 times of 1/2 is 1/3. Pretty cool. Let's try another one. This one should be pretty exciting. We're going to try 2/3 times 2/3. Wow. Okay, well, let's bring our thirds out here and get a look at them. There's our 2/3. Look at that. We need to think of that as a whole right now, and we need to take 2/3 of that. How are we going to do that? Well, why don't we start by splitting everything up into 3 pieces? Then we'll have thirds, right? So if I split each of these thirds up into 3 pieces, what would that be? 9ths. Pretty fantastic. This one's going to be a little tricky, but I bet if we do this together, 1, 2, 3. Hoo-hoo-hoo. Well done, friends. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 9ths. But remember, we're only going to keep 2/3 of that. So can we split that into thirds? Yeah, we can group our 9ths together and take one of them away. What we have left is our product, 4 9ths. Did you ever think you could do this kind of work? Taking 2/3 times of something, or maybe even 1/42nd times of something? Well, now you can. Use your fantastic powers of equivalency to do this work, and I can't wait to see how you multiply.